Imagine a world where the sun, a blazing ball of fire millions of miles away, powers your morning coffee, charges your phone, and even fuels the car you drive. It might sound like science fiction, but it's not. It's the incredible reality of solar power. Your lights, your phone, even your car. It might sound like science fiction, but it's not. It's the incredible reality of solar power. At its core, solar power works by capturing energy from the sun and turning it into electricity. The sun releases tiny packets of energy called photons, which travel millions of miles through space to reach Earth in just about 8 minutes. Every hour, enough photons hit our planet to meet the entire world's energy needs for a whole year. The challenge lies in harnessing that energy and converting it into something we can use. This is where solar panels come in. Solar panels are made up of smaller units called solar cells, often made from a material called silicon. Silicon is a semiconductor, which means it can conduct electricity under certain conditions. When sunlight hits a solar cell, the photons knock electrons loose from the atoms in the silicon. These freed electrons flow through the cell, creating an electric current. Metal plates on the sides of the cell collect these electrons and direct them into wires, allowing the current to flow like any other source of electricity. But the electricity produced by solar panels is direct current, or DC electricity. Think of it like water flowing steadily through a hose in one direction. Most homes and appliances, however, use alternating current, or AC electricity, which is more like water sloshing back and forth in a wave pattern. To make the power usable, the DC electricity passes through a device called an inverter, which converts it into AC electricity. Once converted, the electricity flows through your home's electrical panel, powering your lights, fridge, and everything else plugged into your outlets. If the solar panels produce more electricity than you need, the extra power can be sent back to the electric grid. Many homes with solar panels are connected to the grid, allowing them to sell their surplus energy to utility companies in exchange for credits. This process, known as net metering, can help reduce electricity bills. On cloudy days or at night, when the panels aren't producing enough power, homes can draw electricity from the grid, ensuring a constant flow of energy. There's also the option of storing solar energy in batteries. Solar batteries save excess electricity generated during the day so it can be used later, like at night or during a power outage. These batteries, often made from lithium-ion technology, are becoming more advanced and affordable, making it easier for homes to rely more on solar power and less on the grid. Solar power isn't just limited to rooftops. Large-scale solar farms use thousands or even millions of solar panels spread across fields to capture sunlight and produce electricity for entire communities. Some solar plants use mirrors to focus sunlight onto a central tower filled with fluid, heating it up to create steam that drives turbines, generating electricity. Despite its many benefits, solar power does have its challenges. Solar panels only work when the sun is shining, so they can't produce electricity at night. They also generate less power on cloudy days. However, scientists and engineers are constantly developing more efficient panels and advanced battery storage systems. These innovations are making solar energy more reliable and helping to overcome its limitations. In the end, solar power is a clean, renewable energy source that takes advantage of the most natural resource we have, the sun. As technology advances, solar energy is becoming more affordable and accessible, helping to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and move towards a more sustainable future. So the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your face, remember, you're standing beneath a powerful source of energy, one that has the potential to power the world.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.